Slow down. Okay. So this is the computer. Okay. Yeah, so I'll go. I have the instructions, straightforward instructions on this site. I'll go by these instructions. So the same instructions which are there in the Jfrog official site. Okay. So we have three versions: Pro, OSS, and JCR. So Pro is the enterprise edition, OSS is the open source, and JCR is the container registry. Okay. We'll go with the open source, which is a free edition.
Ali, what are you downloading?
Yeah.
What's that you're downloading?
Yeah, it was downloaded. What I'm trying to say is, so I wanted to copy this address. I'm not getting the direct address from here. So that's where what I'm trying to do is, if I can get that link right, so I can directly use it in the Linux works. Otherwise, it is downloaded in my Mac. Okay. Now what I have to do, I need to copy from this Mac. To that Linux works. Okay. Okay. Can you pronounce this IP address name? I could not open that one. Arvind? Vinod? Okay.
Yeah, I'm doing.
Okay.
You want it?
I got it. 18.223.143.41, right?
Yes.
Slash. Okay, port number. I think you need to enable that SAP port number as well. Okay. Send the night. Oh. Setting. Port number 22, right? SAP. It is okay. So now see you are in this process, you're also learning another command, SCP. So we have learned in the previous class when I'm teaching you the Linux classes, CP command. What the CP command does?
Copy.
Yeah, copy to the same. I mean, when you are in the same machine, same computer, copying from one location to another location, or copying from the source file to the destination file. But here, what I'm doing, I'm copying from one computer to another computer, right? SCP. For that reason, we use a protocol or command called SCP. What do you mean by SCP? It is a secure copy. When you wanted to copy file from one computer to another computer securely, you use the protocol SCP, secure copy. So port number by default, it listens on the same port number where your SSH connection listens, right? That is the reason I no need to open any other port, right? Because by default, when you create an EC2 instance, so port number 22 is enabled for your SSH connection. So the same number, same port number 22, so it copies. So that's the reason for me, no need to open another port number. So the same 22 port, it works. That's why, I mean, no need to change port number for this SCP. Otherwise, if it is a different protocol, right, different port number, then you should have enabled that port number as well. So here it is copying this Jfrog artifact file, which I have downloaded onto my Mac to the EC2 instance in the Amazon, right? So I have copied it. Now you could see that file. Oh, not here. So downloaded the wrong file. Okay. So I should have downloaded this file. .gz. Okay. So shall we do one thing? I'll stop the session here. So installation will start freshly from tomorrow. What do you say, guys?
Yeah, that would be better only because full recording will be held.
Yeah. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah. So Vinod, you wanted to keep this computer, you can keep it running, or else you can destroy it because we haven't done anything. We can destroy it and freshly we can create another instance tomorrow morning before we come to the class. You can share me that IP address simply. You created the same PEM key which you have just shared with me.
Yeah.
Yeah. But before coming
And I can keep that running also, right? Like I don't want. I mean, there is nothing problem for me.
okay, sure. I mean, unnecessarily wasting, right? So
Yeah.
you can anytime create, no? So that's not an issue. Why you have
Sure.
to run it for 24 hours?
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.